So this is a long awaited video, and a lot of people have told me to take off the stickers off the 5.0, and I actually will be taking off some of them, not all of them, because I think some of them do look cool. Like the Ford Performance on the windshield looks really cool, that banner. But aside from that, I'll probably take off the stickers on the side, especially the numbers, but I like the bottom ones. We'll see if it just comes off because it's been sitting in the sun. So I want to take off this, and maybe this. I like the Steeda, but keep all the bottom ones. Alright guys, so I just made a poll on IG. That's me taking off. So I kind of am debating if I want the Ford Performance one sticker on the side. I'm gonna take off the other white one, the white and the number, but this is take off Ford Performance door sticker, leave it. I mean, I'm probably gonna take it off. I have to do it if I'm gonna do paint correction too. So I'm gonna hit on the other side and take off the other white one, and hopefully it comes off pretty easy because this side was sitting in the sun. So currently it's been about 10 minutes and 63% said take it off, 37% said leave it. I'll give it to about 20 more minutes and we'll see what happens. Letting my Instagram followers decide if I keep the stickers or not. Now because we have to wait 30 minutes, that was my ideal, just 30 minutes, you know. It's already kind of leaning in the direction of taking them off. I haven't driven the Cobra in a while, so about a week. It's not a long time, but I usually drive it more frequently than that. So we're gonna give it a little cold start. I haven't taken it out, so we'll just back it up a little bit, and yeah. I missed that sound. I can't believe it was louder at one point. I did miss that loudness for sure. Feels good to be back. I mean, even though the 5.0 is so luxurious and whatnot, you still can't beat that sound. Just the 4.6 4-valve, man. I thought this was quiet. Coming from Borla attacks on this, yeah, that's quiet for sure. Alright guys, so it's been a little over 30 minutes and majority vote 229 votes take it off, 104 to leave it on. I'm ready to take it off, plus I have to do a full paint correction. I'll have to take it off anyways, so why not take it off today. Alright guys, so me and Tyson are at Chevrolet in our city. So Tyson's been looking for a truck. This is a Z71 package Silverado.
Trail Boss, yeah.
Kind of like that one. That one looks pretty good.
Yeah, that one's just like the street two-wheel drive one though.
So this is like off-road version though.
Yeah.
I don't know, I just like that styling in the front, but this one's still, it's more of like, kind of like the Raptor of
just
trucks.
Not as fast. Same motor.
Okay. But it's like comparing, like, let's just say that's a base F-150, and then this one's like the Raptor of the Silverados kind of.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks really good, very stylish, spacious. You can tow the Cobra, most importantly. And
get better gas mileage.
Yep. Look at the Camaros. I was looking at some of the Camaros and they look pretty cool, but the front ends I'm not really with it, but I guess they kind of just grow.
100s are sick. They shoot flame stock.
That is sick.
Yeah.
Dude curbed his wheels, or whoever drove it was curbed. Yeah, look, all curb rash, dude. How do you curb a McLaren? I dig it. Stance is cool.
T2 is ready.
God damn. This is like the Shelby of the GT2s. Whoa, damn.
0 to 16 rear-wheel drive. 2.7.
Oh, that is quick. Sub 3 is good.
Yeah, and a rear-wheel drive.
No, I'm not gonna say no to that. I like the wheels are kind of cool. That little two-tone there.
Yeah.
Tight. That blue though is pretty clean.
Yeah, this is pretty blue.
I never made any mistake for this.
Yeah.
I thought it was
The
like,
ultimate driving machine.
Oh my god.
butter, huh?
Dude, that is so.
Her M3 was like that.
What the hell? Dude, that clutch is like nothing.
It's so nice.
Dude, that is. No, you gotta.
I felt her E90.